Hello student, welcome back. We are now continuing with our phylum Mollusca. In this phylum, all soft-bodied animals comes, and mollusk made up of Latin word mollis, which means soft. So characteristic features. First one is these generally have organ system organization and bilateral symmetry. Complete organ system and bilateral symmetry means images mirror image of each other. Now next is triploblastic, three germ layers and hemocoelomates. These have complete gut. Hemocoelomates means here body cavity is present but blood filled body cavity is there. Hemocoelomates means blood filled cavity. Body is formed of three main parts: anterior head, muscular foot and dorsal visceral mass. Now next one is these have a glandular fold called mantle and which secrete a hard cutaneous shell or calcareous shell made up of calcium. These respire with gills or pulmonary sac. These have blue colored blood due to presence of blue pigment name is hemocyanin. These generally have open circulatory system means blood flows in open circulation. Excretion occurs by kidney-like organs called organs of Vojanus. Phylum Mollusca is the second largest phylum. Example: chiton, pila, uh, unio, oysters, squids, many animals. So characteristic features are organ system, complete organ system, bilateral symmetry, triploblastic, hemocoelomates, and respire with the help of gills because these are aquatic, mostly aquatic. That's why they respire with the gills. Some are terrestrial in terrestrial form, so they respire through pulmonary sac means through lungs, and mostly the blood is of blue color due to the presence of pigment hemocyanin, and blood flows through open circulation. Main organs is present like kidney in this phylum, and these organs are known as organs of Vojanus, and the second largest phylum after arthropods. Whole body is divided into three: foot, head, foot and visceral mass. Here you can see the example and you have to draw any one of these. First one is your common example of pila. Lines of growth, body wall and operculum. Its body is hard due to the presence of a calcareous shell. Upper portion of calcareous due to calcareous, this is hard, and lower portion is soft. These are the soft bodied animals. Now phylum Echinodermata. Echinodermata, spiny skinned animals means spines are present. That's names indicates spiny body. So it is made up of two words, echinus and derma. Eta means group. Echinus means spines and derma means skin. So its body is or its skin are spiny. Now what are its characteristic features? These are exclusively free living, marine, gregarious and benthonic. Gregarious means uh, present in groups and benthonic means at a bottom. Now these are spherical or elongated or star like. From star you can know about the starfish. So starfish also comes under the phylum Echinodermata. Now adults have organ system organization, pentamerous radial symmetry and true coelom. True cavity is uh, present. Penta means 5, so it can divide it into 5 equal parts. That's why symmetry is pentamerous radial symmetry. Body is covered by spiny exoskeleton as its name indicates, and locomotion occur by 2 feet or podia. Now, these have a water vascular and ambulatory system in which water enters through madreporite. Endoskeleton is formed of calcareous dermal ossicles located in dermis of body wall. These have high power of regeneration. Sexes are always unisexual. Developments includes a bilaterally symmetrical larva. So, what are its characters? First one is names indicate spiny body, and what are its habitat? Marine, and lives in groups. Body are star shaped. Locomotion occurs through 2 feet or podia, means false feet is present in these these animals. And endoskeleton is, endo means inner side. In endoskeleton is forms of calcareous means made up of calcium carbonate, and it's have high power of regeneration. Power of regeneration means power to develop lost part. If there is loss in any part of these animals, they can regenerate. For example, starfish, if any one arm of starfish cuts out, then there will be regeneration. So here you can see the example and you have to draw anyone. Here first example is of estrus starfish, Ophelotherix, Antedon, Holothurion, Echinus. These are the common names in brackets.